right, good morning from Vernazza, Italy, in Cinque Terre. We are just before sunrise here. It's like 6:30, just got off the train. We're heading back to a blue hour shot that we got 2 videos ago. And this time we're here for sunrise. So totally different light, same location. That all starts right now. Let's go. All right, and good morning from Vernazza, Italy. The little village here is totally empty at just after 6 in the morning. Actually, it's like 6:30 by now. Brent and I have split the group again because it's not a big area to photograph these different spots along the coast. So if you've seen the last couple of videos, we've got a number of really nice photos from Cinque Terre here, but every location can fit, you know, maybe 6-7 photographers comfortably with tripods and filters and, you know, big lenses and whatnot. So if you are coming here, you definitely want to arrive at these spots early to stake your claim, but also keep in mind that there are multiples. So it's easy to kind of split up if you are with a group and capture, you know, different angles on these classic scenes, and then just hope that your conditions are good so that you get a nice photo every time. And that is what has been happening for us. We've gotten really lucky here in the last 2 days. That first day with the waves is insane. Some of the best coastal photography I've done in a long time. And then the weather's just been beautiful, you know, big cumulus clouds, nice light, about 18 degrees, not too windy. So great for classic, beautiful photography. That's what we've got here. So we're going back up to a location that we shot for Blue Hour a couple days ago. And in this video, we're gonna shoot sunrise here. And I think it's gonna be really nice. That, my friends, was a very nice sunrise over Vernazza from the lookout along the path going back towards Monte Rosso al Mare. Very classic viewpoint and very easy to get to from the train station. It's maybe like a 10-minute walk, about 100 meters up, so really not too difficult at all. And the first train runs this time of year at 6:20 in the morning, which gets us here like right at the end of Blue Hour. So you've maybe got a window of like 10-15 minutes to get the lights on the town, which I missed because I was helping the guys in the group get that shot and get set up and be ready to kind of do that exposure blending. But I'm still very happy with the fact that I got a couple really long exposures with the 10 stop and a couple of soft grad filters on the front of the 10 stop to dampen out the sky, and then a couple of faster exposures when the clouds were nicely balanced across that background, catching the sunrise light. Blend those two together for a really nice result. So you've seen that now, and let me know what you think of something like that in the comments below. Now what I'm going to do is explore a little bit more of Vernazza, because if you do come here, there's a lot to photograph in the city. There's like 3 very classic locations. One is the one that we shot sunset at in the last video, no, the one before that. The first video here on the coast with the crazy waves. And then the other one is actually down in the town, and we couldn't get there 2 videos ago because of the storm. But now I'm gonna go down there and just show you what it looks like, because it could be a really nice wide angle photo if you have more time here. So, Vernazza, Italy, Cinque Terre. Andiamo, it is time for us to leave Vernazza. Beautiful shot down there by the port and looking back towards the city, wide angle, definitely a Blue Hour shot when the lights of the city are still on. So either pre-sunrise or post-sunset, that's a great option if you've got a couple of days here or more time outside of the 2 classic shots that we've already got. It looks like market day here today. Oh, I'm hungry. Breakfast time. So we're gonna head back to Monte Rosso al Mare and then continue our explorations of the Cinque Terre region by going to Riomaggiore. We are back at the Monte Rosso train station. This is where we have been staying for the last few days. It's been almost 4 actually. Tomorrow will be the 4th day. And this is where we're getting the train to all the different little villages along the coast. And every morning we've been the only people here. And it seems like every afternoon there's a good like 200 people on the track. So very common as photographers. You guys know that we get up super early, sometimes stupid early for sunrise. But the best part about that is that you usually have the place all to yourself, and then by the time you're done your shoot, you're going home when the rest of the world is waking up. And now we are on board this train right here, going towards Riomaggiore, which is almost the end of the line. It's still kind of considered part of the Cinque Terre, but it is the biggest village and has an amazing seafront view and a great photo. So let's head towards Riomaggiore. And we have made it to Riomaggiore and the main port. And this is the first time that I've been here. Mr. Vernazza has been here before, and he suggested a really nice photo down on these rocks, but the waves are still pretty strong. So the cops have actually shut down access still. It maybe will be open tomorrow or the day after is what one of the Technica guys told me. I was just trying to get some information about if we actually could get down there. And he said, no, not until the police open it up, which makes perfect sense. So we're not gonna push the limits. We're up on a viewpoint that's really not that bad. It's relatively busy with tourists here, but I think if we sort of stake our claim to this spot, we could get a nice sunset photo of this scene right here. Beautiful Riomaggiore, Costa Brava, where are we? Cinque Terre in Italy. The sun has gone down here in Riomaggiore, and beautiful scene. The plaza, our one spot is kind of cleared out, but it was really busy there for a little while. And the busiest we've seen it on this whole trip, which is kind of funny as it's our last night exploring the Cinque Terre and the Italian trip in general. Tomorrow we're heading back to Venice and saying goodbye to the whole crew. I'm flying back to Hamburg to reunite with Nelly and our son Matteo. And I believe Brendan's going back to Madeira, right?
Yeah, Madeira.
He's going to the island, and these guys are all going back home to where it is they came from. Florida man?
Yes.
Yes, yes. But it's been a blast. As per usual, Mr. Van Son.
Epic.
Really, really good tour. Lots of crazy weather. Beard on beard.
No tongue?
No, not this time. Okay. Yeah. And lots of snow, which is crazy, and some amazing waves, and really just a couple of good days to cap it off here on the coast. So another good adventure, tour, workshop, photography experience, whatever you want to call it. And stay tuned for more as we keep going with the adventures going into Christmas. Happy holidays to you guys where you're watching from home, of course. And we'll see what 2024 brings. I think it's gonna be an interesting year, and 2025 is shaping up to be really good when it comes to photography and my little business growing ever so slowly, but every year things are getting different and getting better. So that's a good thing. Thanks for watching. Hope you like it. I'll see you on the next video.